But today, if you do slide, it's because you're going really fast.
Really fast. Okay. Ooh.
So this car is meant loud. Yeah. Windows open or down?
What do you prefer?
Well, if the window's down, it's going to be louder. Gives you a little bit more sensation of speed. Windows up, it's more just...
Maybe down. I get the whole experience, right?
Yeah. What costs extra?
I'm glad to hear it.
$5 a window.
Hey, you know, it's worth every penny, I guess.
Lamborghini on track. It's a big V10, so everything I do is immediate. When you touch the throttle, it jumps. So it's really meant to
very
run.
fast, yeah.
Oh, she's a runner.
My car used to have a V8, and I wasn't even used to that.
Oh, well.
But
all right, you ready?
I'm ready. Oh my goodness! Oh my God!
That's right. Jet handles.
Wow! Oh my goodness! How fast is that going?
I have no idea. I'm looking at the cones.
Okay.
At least 30.
That's good. That's good.
You want more?
That was crazy. Oh my goodness.
I hope you enjoyed that.
I really did. Thank you. Holy cow. I've never experienced anything like that ever.
Just what the car wants to do.
Yeah. And it's meant to do, I guess.
Yeah. It's a low-flying airplane.
That is so crazy.
That was worth it.
That definitely was worth it.
All right. Say goodbye.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.